hard to meet someone who's actually normal and fun.
Well, lucky for you, I'm not normal or boring. Let's go eat, I'm starving. Do you like tacos? No, it's last minute, but wanna come over and hang out?
What if I stayed easy and didn't make demands? You'll just like me more. But you kind of stopped taking me on the real dates.
Things are just not working anymore.
Give him everything and he just used me and left. Don't fall for his charms. He is a total player.
I think I can handle it.
I'm in love with this girl. Nice to meet you. You look amazing. Way better than your pictures, and your pictures were already hot.
Stop. Stop. You're gonna make me shy. I was really nervous. First dates freak me out.
Why? You're literally glowing right now. You have nothing to worry about.
I don't know, it's just hard to meet someone who's actually normal and fun.
Well, lucky for you, I'm not normal or boring. Let's go eat, I'm starving. Do you like tacos?
Yeah, love tacos. Let's go.
So tell me, how was your date?
He was so charming, fun, and confident. I felt really seen. I have not felt this way for a long time.
Hey, I know it's last minute, but wanna come over and hang out?
Oh my gosh, he wants to see me again tonight. Should I go? It's kinda late, but I guess it's casual, right? It's fun. It's okay. Sure, I'll be there in 30.
You're the best. Most girls would have said no or made it too complicated. You're so chilled.
Yeah, I'm not like high maintenance or something. I'm easy, I'm chilled.
I love that.
Oh, so you went to his for the second date?
I thought if I stayed easy and didn't make demands, you'll just like me more. But he kind of stopped taking me on the real dates. I wonder why. Maybe I should just text him to ask me out. Hey, wanna grab dinner this week?
Hey, I will let you know. Things are kinda hectic.
Oh, okay. Let me know then. Last night was really special.
Yeah, was cool.
Do you want to do something this weekend?
I will see how my week goes. I got some stuff coming up.
I thought intimacy would bring us closer, but something changed. He stopped making plans, he stopped giving me as much of attention. I just don't understand, but I don't want to lose him. I'm just gonna call him. Oh, he's not picking up. I just miss you. Feels like you're pulling away.
Can you chill? I just been busy. You don't need to call me 3 times. You're just making these things too complicated. I like it how you were so cool in the beginning.
I'm sorry, I just don't understand what's happening. You used to care. Now I feel like I'm just like annoying you. Oh, I just kept trying harder. But the more I gave, the more he kind of like started to pull away. I just don't know what to do. Maybe it's my fault. Am I being needy? Oh, he's calling.
Listen, I think we need to take a break. Things are just not working anymore.
What? Wait? Where is this coming from? After everything?
You're just too intense. I don't want all the pressure right now.
So I give you everything and now I'm too much?
Look, I don't want to fight. I just need peace.
He used me. He took me for granted. I gave him everything and it still wasn't enough.
Wait, you mean Leo? He actually asked me out yesterday.
Oh, that guy, he's a total player. I gave him everything and he just used me and left. Don't fall for his charms. He is a total player. Stay away from him.
Maybe, but let's see how it's gonna go. I think I can handle it.
You are joking. Don't fall for it. He's charming in the beginning, but the second you like him, he'll drop you like it's hot. Don't fall for him. He's really bad.
Hey, nice to meet you. I gotta say you got this peaceful vibe about you. Like you're not even trying. But it's really working.
Oh, thank you. I just like to take my time to get to know someone. No pressure.
Yeah, no, I totally get that. That's refreshing. Most girls try to overshare or impress me.
Yeah, I just like to be myself, and if someone likes it, that's great, and if not, I'm totally fine with it.
So, how was your first date?
Yeah, he was cute, but let's see how it's gonna go. Just like, it was fun.
Hey, I know it's last minute, but you wanna slide over and hang out?
Oh, a text. Last minute, hey? What shall I say? That sounds fun, but I already made plans tonight. Next time, just give me a little heads up.
She's got a life. I like that. Hey, I've got Thursday off. Want to grab dinner?
Oh, that sounds nice. Yeah, I can do Thursday night. Thursday night is good. I'll see you then.
Oh, I got dinner planned. I'm all dressed up. Oh, I'm excited, mates. So you're seriously this put together all the time? You're not even trying, and here is me all dressed up, trying to impress.
Aw, thanks.
Wanna come over to mine? Just chill, talk, maybe cuddle a little.
I'm really enjoying the dates. It's really fun, but I like to take things slow. I hope that's okay with you.
Wow, that's rare. Okay, I respect that.
Well, if he's serious, he will wait. If not, it's better for me to find out now.
Oh, I really like this girl. Hey, I booked that jazz night you mentioned. I can't wait. She's not replying me. I miss your voice today. Can I call you tonight?
Aw, thanks. You're so sweet. I like talking to you too.
Hey, you have been on my mind. I usually don't text this much, but you are different.
Aw, that's so sweet to say. You're so kind. Aw.
Honestly, you make me want to be real. Man, this girl is not like the others. She's not chasing, not begging, but she's warm, peaceful. I think I'm falling for her. I know it's only been a few months, but I think I can build a future with you. You have changed the way I see women.
Aw, that's so sweet.
Mate, I'm in love with this girl.
Ladies, if you're struggling in dating and relationships, book Greta for coaching. She'll guide you in dating or relationships or marriages or whatever problems you have with guys. She's good. She's the one to get in contact with. All the links will be in the description below. Also, if you don't know yet, but Greta has this high value women's school where you get 7 days free, and Greta coaches the woman herself with her coaches. It's a little bit like a Facebook group. You get the community of other high value women, you get the coaches. Is really amazing, and it's only $39 after 7 days. If you have any problems or just want to share and chat, we are there for you. Remember, queens surround themselves with queens. Thank you all for watching. Till the next time, lots of love. Mwah.